In this video, I will share with you how to buy Surfshark subscription. So if you want to buy subscription, follow me in this video guide. Go to Google, search for Surfshark. This is the keyword. As you can see here, click the first website here. You will see this page. From here, go to the prices. This is for the pricing. As you can see here, you can choose the plan from here. You have this 12 month, for example, for this 1 month. Click get it one. When you click this get it one, you will see this page. This is for PayPal. You can pay with Apple Pay or PayPal or Google Pay. Choose Apple Pay if you want to pay with Apple Pay. Choose your card, write your all information from your credit cards, and then you can apply this is promo codes to purchase this item. Just complete this process, write your email address from here. You can also use Google Pay as a payments. Click play with Google Pay, write your email address, and then continue. Set up your payments here. After set up your payments, you can buy this subscription without any problem. So this is how you can do. Complete your payments, for example PayPal, Apple Pay, and then click pay. Write your all payments here. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this